I've had a lot of people ask me about the difference between watercolor and gouache, and here's an example of the difference. So this one I painted with watercolor, and then this one I painted with gouache, and really the main thing is that you can see that gouache is just a little more vibrant. The pigment particles are larger, so that it just stands out a little more, I would say. And then here's another example. This one I painted with watercolor, and then I did the exact same image. I painted it with gouache. Often I would say that gouache looks maybe a little more cartoony. Not necessarily, it's very vibrant and it pops a lot more. But the biggest difference for me is that I'm so much quicker with watercolor. So like for example, this one I painted with watercolor in about 30 minutes. And this one with gouache took me an hour and a half, so that's a significant difference. There's people that are quicker than me, but gouache tends to be a lot slower just because of the layering process and mixing the colors. If you have any questions about that, shoot me a message.